So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Notes or your Files app. So I'm going to show you through Notes, and you can apply this to most of the apps on your device. So on here, once you go to either your photo, your notes, some other document, you can just go ahead and click the share option. And once you click the share option, you will see the print option. Click on that. Now, even though you don't have a printer connected with this device, you will see how this page will look like. So you can see at the bottom, this is how the print preview will look like. So on here, you can use orientation, paper size, and so on. So you can see what that PDF file would look like, and you can share it across some other ways through email or so on. So you can get a sense of what that file will look like, and you can convert it through the sharing option. But there's another way. So let's open Files. And on here, I have some screenshot from a website. And on here, I can just go ahead again, click the share option or the more actions option. And you can see lock PDF. So it will lock it into PDF. You can also go to print, as I said previously. And if you choose to send it to someone, you will again see a preview of that PDF file. So that's how you can really convert it through the sharing option on your iPhone. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.